Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix keyboard backlight not working on laptop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your laptop keyboard's backlight isn't working, the issue could be related to setting drivers or hardware. So what you can do is first check for a keyboard shortcut. Many laptops have a specific key combination to toggle the keyboard backlight. Look for a backlight icon usually on the F1 to F12 keys. Press it along or in combination with FN. Number 2 is to adjust backlight brightness. If your laptop supports adjustable backlight brightness, use the appropriate keys to increase the brightness. Some laptops dim or turn off the backlight when the battery is low or in power saving mode. Number 3 is to verify backlight settings in software. Check your laptop's control software, for example Dell Command Center, and look for an option to enable or adjust the keyboard backlight settings. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.